Founded in July 1769, Mission Basilica San Diego de Alcalá, also called Mission San Diego, is the first of California's 21 missions, the rest of which you can visit on California's historic Mission Trail. The church was rebuilt in 1931, and today features a 46-foot campanario, bell tower, the first historic cemetery in the state, and gardens blooming with hibiscus, succulents, and olive trees. Learn about the history and role of the mission through informative displays, and check out the Casa de los Padres room, where you can see large drawings depicting mission events. The on-site Padre Jaime Museum is currently undergoing expansion, and it will detail the history of the mission from the pre-16th to the 20th centuries and showcase original artifacts when it's completed. Head to the mission's website to book an individual or group tour.